Yo, what is going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. I was just thinking about this on my way back from the parts store, but it's just how I organize bolts and stuff, because I was getting some nuts and washers and stuff. But anyway, I learned this trick off of a buddy. So you can get any sort of tackle box, Plano box, whatever, as long as it's like this and it has dividers and stuff. But literally, just draw a little diagram to where your bolt's at corresponding to this, and this will help you out so much in the long term when you're trying to find bolts and stuff. Because I used to be that guy that would have a box, literally a box of bolts, nuts, washers, and all that stuff, and it'd be all over the place, and it would take you forever to try to find something. So I'm just trying to help you guys out, especially the new guys that are getting into the hobby and stuff, to make yourself or make your life a lot easier so you can find stuff quicker. But I just want to do a quick little video and just show you guys what I do, and I just knew it'd be a little helpful, quick, informative video. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.